The following is the balance sheet of the Mr. Devchand as on 30th September 2015. Liabilities and the assets have been given to us. The following were the net profits. अभी हमें net profits दिए गए. For the year ended 30th September 2013, it is 32,280. For 30th September 2014 is 36,870. And for 30th September 2015 is 43,350. This amounts include the income from the investment of rupees 1800 each year. तो ये जो आपके प्रॉफिट्स है उसमें आपका क्या इंक्लूडेड है? इनकम फ्रॉम इन्वेस्टमेंट इज इंक्लूडेड. सो व्हेन यू आर फाइंडिंग आउट द सुपर प्रॉफिट, उसके लिए सबसे पहले आपको क्या फाइंड आउट करना पड़ेगा? You will have to take up the average profits. तो average profits find out करने के लिए you will have to first normal जो profits दिए है उसमें से income from investment you will subtract. Then you will be getting what? You will be getting a proper trading average profits. Okay, you are required to value the goodwill of the above business 2 years purchase of the average super profit for the 3 years. आपको क्या कर find out करना है यहाँ पर? You have to find it out the super profit. ठीक है, कितने years? Number of years are 2 years of the purchase. ठीक है, and average profit कितना लेना है? 3 years. तो वैसे भी 3 है ना, 1, 2 and 3. Taking the standard rate of return on the capital employed in such type of the business is 10%. So NRR, this is the information of the NRR which has been given. So NRR कितने का है? 10% का. So we can easily find out the normal profit from here. And assuming that each year the profit is immediately withdrawn in the full by the Mr. Devchand. और every year क्या बोल रहे हैं? Mr. Devchand तुरंत से ही withdraw कर देते हैं. Now just tell me class, over here, do we have a this capital employed which is given? For finding out the normal profit, you will require an average this capital employed. Is it given? No. But we have an information of the assets and we have an information of the liabilities. So can we find it out? Yes, because we have done the format in the theory part. The tangible trading assets minus if you do the outside liabilities, so you will be getting what? Average capital employed. So you can easily find out the average capital employed by this formula. So let's start with the solution. The first we will find out the FMP, future maintainable profits. Maintainable profits. Okay, they have given you the years. They have given us the profit as well. हमें क्या subtract करना है? We have to subtract the income from investment. So after this, we will be getting what? We will be getting the trading profit. Okay. Now the years which is given is 2013, 2014 and 2015. Profit is 32,280. उसमें कितने का investment is there? 1800 का investment is there. $36,870 and 43,350. Okay, subtract the income from investment, you will be getting a trading profit. This minus this. 30,480, the same way calculated for the 2014 and 2015 as well. You will be getting a total trading profit which will be equals to, take a total 1,07,100. चलो नाउ नेक्स्ट FMP के बाद वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट व्हाट, कंप्लीट कर देते हैं पहले इसको FMP को। एवरेज ट्रेडिंग प्रॉफिट इज इक्वल्स टू टोटल ट्रेडिंग प्रॉफिट डिवाइडेड बाय नंबर, कितना है, नंबर ऑफ ईयर्स, 3 years। So 1,07,100 divided by 3 equals to 35,700. So we got a FMP of 35,700. Now the second thing which we require will be the normal profit. So let's do the calculation of normal profit. For this we require the capital employed, but we don't have a capital employed, is not readily available. So first let's find out the capital employed. Tangible, here we will take particulars rupees. Tangible trading asset, कौन से assets है, land and building is given in the asset side, so first write down land and building. Value कितना है, 36,000. Next we have a plant, 54,000. Stock, we have an investment, then we have a stock. Now tell me, is the investment taken? हम investment को क्या लेते हैं? In the theory we did it. Here the investment is not taken. Why? What is the reason for not taking the investment over here? Yes, I have told you class why we don't take the investment over here. Because उसको non-trading कहा गया है. So for this basis we do not take down the investments. Okay, so because the investments are non-trading assets, so we do not take a non-trading assets. हमने heading क्या दिया? We have to only take a trading assets for this purpose. So investment won't be taken. Bank, debtors. 19,200. इसमें से क्या subtract करोगे? Take a total first. 12040. Now you are going to subtract this outside liabilities. We only have a one, creditors. So creditors will be subtracted. 8040. So the tangible trading capital will be how much? 1,74,000. Now, what it has been mentioned, see the note over here. What they have told that Devanand, sorry, Mr. Devanand क्या करता है? Every year they withdraw the amount. So since it is mentioned in the problem that every year profit is immediately withdrawn in the full by the proprietor, तो यहाँ पर at the end हम क्या लेंगे कि ये जो टेंजिबल कैपिटल है एट द एंड ऑफ द ईयर इज ओनली इक्वल टू आवर कैपिटल एवरेज कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड ड्यूरिंग द ईयर. हम वरना पता है जब हम करते थे तो आई हैव टोल्ड यू दैट यू हैव टू टेक हाफ ऑफ द प्रॉफिट एज वेल, बट हियर you are not going to consider half of the profit and you are not going to deduct it. The reason is that Devanand is withdrawing. ठीक है, प्रोप्राइटर जो है वो विड्रॉ कर दे रहे हैं एवरी टाइम, immediately withdraw kar de raha every year. So just because of this reason you are not going to take down the half and you are going to consider this only tangible trading capital only as the average profit. So write one line over here that average capital employed will be equals to this tangible trading capital. This is very important. I have told you the reason why we are taking this. Now, can we find out the normal profit? Yes, we can find out the normal profit now. So normal profit is equal to average capital employed, which we got right now, 1,74,000 into NRR. कितना दिया है? 10%. So either you can write down into 10 divide by 100 or directly write down the 10%. This will be equals to 17,400. So we got a normal profit of 17,400. Now easily हमें super profit find out करने बोला था, तो we can easily find out the super profit. FMP हमने first step से calculate किया है 35,700 minus normal profit 17,400. This is equals to how much? 18,300. Now कितने years of ये लेना था? 2 years. So goodwill is equal to super profit into number of years. 18,300 into number of years, 2 years. So this will be equal to 36,600. Now we can do the little bit of formatting. चलो, now let's write down the note. नोट लिख लेते हैं, why we have not taken up the investment. तो income investment is considered as a trading income. That is why we have deducted year's profit. सबसे फर्स्ट नोट एफएमपी कैलकुलेट करने के लिए why the deduction has been done. While calculating for the same reason, investment is not included calculating average capital employed. Okay, so this is a note. And you want me to write down the second note as well कि हमने वो half क्यों नहीं किया. फॉर्मेट में हमें सिखाया है कि half we have to take it half of the profit, but here we have not take it half. The only reason is he is withdrawing, the proprietor is withdrawing every year. ठीक है, देवानंद is withdrawing profit every year. So in this case, tangible trading capital at the end of the year is considered equal capital employed. CE is capital employed. Let's write down A as well, average capital employed. During the year, such case, half of the profit should not be deducted. And now we are done with us.